Welcome to HP's Notebook Factory. Today, I'll show you how we build laptops with unmatched precision. Subscribe to Process Pulse Factory.
Looks good. Let's run the full batch.
Agreed. All systems nominal.
The initial batch of laptops has passed all quality checks. We can proceed with mass production.
We've got a problem on line 3.
I see it. Initiating diagnostics.
We monitor every stage of production to ensure quality. The real-time data allows us to optimize efficiency.
Defects detected. Voids. Bridges.
Did you see that alert on the main dashboard?
Yes, investigating now. Looks like a potential breach.
Okay, team. The data is clear. We have a pattern of premature hinge failures. Let's get to the root cause. Based on the material stress tests, the design flaw is the primary cause of the hinge failure. Here you can see the stress concentration, so we need to increase the material thickness at these critical points.
प्लीज एक और परीक्षा से एक अर्थ है जिस फैक्ट्री बली इस डेट को वहां पर इटली से
It passed. 50,000 cycles. Excellent work, team.
I knew XJ5000 was the one.
Our transcription. The touchpad response is inconsistent. Some are too sensitive, others don't respond at all. This is increasing returns.
We are committed to fostering the next generation of innovators.
These programs open up a world of possibility.
Hey team, yesterday's numbers were strong, exceeding output by 5%. Today's target is to maintain that and improve efficiency by another 2%.
Quarter century here. These machines talk to me, I just listen.
The main servo's fried. I need you here fast.
On my way. Give me 20.
Transcription. Excellent work. Your first HP notebook is perfect. You're a natural.
20 years here. Every HP that leaves must meet my standards.
Oh, try some of this. It's homemade. Wow, that looks amazing. Thank you.
It works. It actually works. I need to show this to the team.
Rita's our lucky charm. 4 years, 0 false failures. We respect her.
Let's check the pressure valve readings.
The last calibration was off. Maybe that's the issue.
What if we reset the primary actuator sequence? That might stabilize it.
All right, production's been smooth. Line 3 had a minor sensor issue, but it's resolved. All quality checks are green.
Got it.
Amazing how HP notebooks are built. What impressed you most? Comment and subscribe to Process Pulse Factory.
Next, Lenovo's legendary ThinkPad factory. Then, gaming laptop secrets. Subscribe to Process Pulse Factory now.